Hello guys, this is Zion Blood TV. Wow, guys, I would like you to watch this video. Thank God for prophecy. Okay? Thank God for prophecy. I don't know what we would have done without prophecy. Like the Bible said it, that any community or village that does not have a prophet, they are like people that are living in dark. They are in darkness. Like a blind man leading a blind man. Seriously, you will like this video. I would like you to watch this video till the end. Oh my God. Like this little child, I don't know what would have happened to this. Oh my God, if not prophecy, guys. This little child would have been a story, a history, if not prophecy. Thank God for prophecy. Like wonders they say shall never end. Thank God for our man of God, Evangelist Ebuka, and that saw what is about to happen. Guys, let me stop. I don't want to even go deep. I want you to watch it and hear it and see it with your eyes and learn from it. Please don't forget to share this video, like my video, give it a thumbs up, okay? And please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscription is free, okay? And most importantly, turn on your bell notification so that whenever I upload any video, YouTube will notify you.
Why do you want to sell the baby?
Nobody to help me and take care of the baby. No, I was Moko Deborah Ezine. Aomoye Imo State. On the 16th open heaven, December. That measure case because I got the one a little problem. So that was on Saturday. Then on Sunday, when Chorega church, Moya Sim Kevin Naga, and see an hour, okay, that measure for a case. That is there's a little girl. The Holy Spirit said I should not mention her name. The Holy Spirit said I should not mention her name.
Yeah, there is a negotiation how to sell your baby right now. You normally watch this program once in a while. There is a negotiation how to sell your baby. A young girl, I don't want to mention your name. The Lord is mentioning your name to my ear. I don't want to call you right now. You get better. Most people don't know you have given birth. Even when you're pregnant, your stomach did not shoot out very well. Your stomach did not shoot out very well. Right now, they are negotiating how to pay you to collect the baby, to sell your child. Refuse to do that satanic business. I don't know whom you are. If you do that, you will regret it tomorrow. As this prophetic voice is coming, refuse it. Instead, bring that child here. If you don't have money to pay for the hospital bill or whatever, you have to come to Zion and play this prophecy to the moderators. They will bring you to me. Play this prophecy to them. Or any help you think you want, I will give it to you. But don't sell your baby right now. I hear that negotiation is going on. You are having double mind. Should I collect money? And they are pushing a woman beside you. She's pushing you. May this message enter your mind tonight, and may you do the needful. And I call the power of God upon you. May the mercy of God come upon you. You shall not die, you shall live and testify the goodness of the Lord. As you obey this voice, you will give testimony in the name of Jesus.
So that my friend who played the video, say okay man, the problem now man, in my hand phone and I don't know how to do about it. She said okay, that on Tuesday that we'll go to Zion with her junior sister. I said no problem. So she sacrificed her phone, she gave us transport, then we came. When we came, I thought maybe the weekly program is still going on, but it wasn't. That the only anoint us that Tuesday. So I was telling myself I must come today that is Sunday because I don't have transport with me. I have to call a friend that please that he should give me Christmas gift before she sent me 3,000 naira. I came down here. So I'm begging the God of Zion to have mercy on me and to help me. It wasn't willingly.
Biagodeba, come here. Why do you want to sell the baby? Huh? Why do you want to sell the baby?
Nobody to help me and take care of the baby. No house to have the feed.
No money for feeding. Who pregnanted you?
The Yoruba man.
Huh?
I was in Yoruba.
Onye Yoruba ka ije ya gbapere ukwu. Okay, how much have you concluded to sell?
That is different amounts, but
Different amount, like two highest amount. How much?
1.52 million, but it's not from my mind.
It's not from your mind. Ike the namuma one price 1.5, the other one price 2 million. Ima no mo okay de oko. O wen ka ije kute na Akwa Ibom state. Na Akwa Ibom ka ije kutie elegu ele. And here like 500,000. He's always beating you.
Yes, sir.
Which state do you come from?
Oh, Imo State.
Imo kwa. Where do you come from in Imo State?
Mbise.
Okwa dele born to. Mbise Nkanya. That Yoruba man that pregnant you, which area is him?
Ayobo.
Ayobo, Lagos here.
Yes, sir.
He did not do anything on your head. Eh?
Yes, sir.
That is why I want to sell the baby. So you will not live today. We stand up. You don't need to sell your child. Oh, your child can be the president tomorrow. Human being not supposed to be used as business. The sister security there. Make sure they get a place she will be staying and take care of her and her baby. I will be paying the bills. They should follow you up. It's not when they put you in a place, you go and get, nah, you got from Yoruba, this one now will be a job. You want one na. You have family, you be Lagos. He may interview very well after the program. On when one we have to involve the family. Because most of the family should have been hiding it. Don't worry, we will take care of you. So thank God he did not say your baby. Iyana na ministry abo obere. Nigeria monitor ebe ono. Ishe inana 1.5 million naira were making. Thank God for prophecy. Fere Chineke aka tuo ya hinjiri mane.